To Spain. Hush.
JoJo Cars back with another video, man. I hear that annoying ass beeping. Shut up. Anyways, y'all see Tweety Bird right there? His dirty truck. Anyways, y'all see the drips, all that. I don't know if I showed y'all all that, but I don't know when this is gonna get posted or whatever. But make sure you guys subscribe to that channel, JoJo Cars, and then follow our gram, JoJo's Mobile Details. We got this little verse over here. I'm gonna see if this motherfucker wants to start today. It might. I think it has luck. I think it has some luck. Where did I just throw my keys? So we just got out that mug. Make sure you guys follow Vandalize G. I know y'all see that. Bogus as hell, but make sure y'all get in tune with Vandalize G. Yes, yes, so let that mug warm up a little bit. Boom. So we got that going. Alright, so I had that tire on. I might put the rest on, but I gotta low-key find. I gotta find you dig. Look at this, bro. Monster truck fitment. But I gotta find the a socket to fit that. So we'll see. But we got this mug, and I need to get this thing started ASAP though. But I'm about to try to move that a little bit up so that I could just fit the bourbon through here real quick. The bourbon. It says hi. Bourbon says hi. But yeah, I'm gonna try to fit all these rims on, but I gotta find a socket for it. So that's that. So I'm gonna move these cars and then I'm gonna be back. But we are installing some parts. That's under there. This little box. So yes, sir. Stand tuned. Alright, y'all, so it does come with intake instructions. I'm gonna go through that and I'm gonna look at that with you guys, because I don't know how many people have installed intakes on these trucks on YouTube and showed the video. This intake was only $60, and this actually did have 1,000 views and 1,000 reviews or whatever that were actually pretty decent. I could probably put the picture or the link down in the description. I'll do both. I'll probably put the picture up here of it, whatever. I'm ashy as fuck. Anyways, but this was dead ass a $60 thing. I'll put the price, like I said, I'll put the price and everything right there. You should be looking at it like literally as I'm speaking right now. So it comes with instructions. Did not know that. Did not, like, this is the first $60 Amazon intake. If you look through my Honda one and I think my Infinities, I don't think they came with much instructions. This one actually came with a heat shield and everything. So like literally, I literally just cut it open. Comes with these couplers or whatever, couplers, however you call it, and little bolts and stuff inside. So fat ass intake, bro. My hand is huge. Trust me, my hand is big. This motherfucker is huge. It's because that truck is huge, really. And then it's like, it's a 4-inch hole for the intake, and then the heat shield, metal heat shields. all right there. So that shit's crazy, bro. All for 60 bucks. Oh shit. So if you have a Suburban and you're thinking about getting this kit, I'm about to put it on, and I'm literally about to do before and after. So just stay tuned. I'm about to just do it right now. So yeah, about to pull this bitch up, move this motherfucker. Alright, we cockpit cockpit to the front. Oh my goodness. And it's intake right here. So we do also have new lights for the back, even though I crashed this bitch, but it's alright. I'm about to put this right here. I think that should be good enough. Hopefully y'all can hear the intakes. I'm pretty sure y'all will be able to. Intake right here. I ain't want to do too much. If y'all want to hear my shit pop though, y'all could definitely check out my my first muffler delete video. You could definitely see my shit pop right there. I'm pretty sure though, I just get it off from this clamp, and that's before the sensor, and I should be, wait, I might have to take off that whole thing because I think the sensor definitely has to go on. Hold on. There's fucking instructions, alright? So I'm gonna read these first. I'm gonna go through these with y'all first. Things first. Rest in peace, Uncle Phil. For real. Come on, bro. Oh, I just ripped them. Alright, y'all got some ripped instructions now, bro. But anyways, look, it's just papers. Alright, bro, turn this bitch around. Why is it starting at step 7, bro? Watch out. Alright, disconnect the negative battery. Alright, loosen the band clamp connecting the intake pipe to the throttle body. So that would be in that location. So right here. Okay. Loosen the band with the airflow sensor. So that's right here to 1 and 2. You know, like I just said, Loki just said that before. And then step 5. Wait, what? All right, loosen the screws that hold the factory air filter box together. So that's 1. These, I guess it's these screws right here. 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm gonna just go through it, and I'm gonna do it. I'm probably gonna put my phone somewhere around here and try to show you guys, but I'm just gonna do it. It seems pretty simple. Like, take this shit apart and then put the new motherfucker in. I'm trying to see where they want you to put the fucking yeah, this, you know, assemble the new. So you assemble that together, you feel me, the heat thing, and it should just go in there, and then you put, look, it says put the new airflow sensor. That's all I thought we had to do anyways, so that it's decent and it doesn't run you a code probably, and then that goes just straight there, bro. That it doesn't look that hard, bro. It just looks like you take everything off, you take off these 2, and then you just replace everything, you know. Pretty simple, bro. Pretty simple. That's what I figured anyways, but you know, it's always good to show you guys everything that it comes with and all that. So that's good. Let me see. Right here, that's not a good spot. All right, I'm trying to get a decent spot for you guys to see this shit. Like, I want y'all to see this in action. And I ain't got nobody holding the phone right now. But it's, I promise, man, hold on. I can probably do this one-handed. I might do this one-handed. Another one-handed video. Y'all ready? Hold on. Give me like 2 seconds. Alright, y'all. So I loosened it. I don't know. These ain't gonna just pop off. Or where are you supposed to start taking it off at? Oh, there it is. Does it start? Alright, we gotta see where this shit pops out at. I think you're supposed to unscrew the bottom, but I felt like this shit just popped out. I think what's holding it is this back right here. But here, let's see if I can finish getting out the sensor real quick. Alright, y'all, I'm about to just try to kill this with 2 hands real quick, and then I'm gonna just put it right here and time lapse it for y'all, because this should be difficult. So got that motherfucker out. I still don't know about this. I figured all this shit just pulled out, bro. Yeah, it's just 2 things on the bottom. Work that shit out. What they was talking about. At this point, all my shit, look, all my shit is still in and together. I'm trying to see. So this whole area is open now. My sensor is off and intact, so that has to go back, right? And then here is my throttle body, checking if it's hot, only cause I would like to clean it a little bit. Other than that, I've like never really, I did obviously the spark plugs on this, and now I'm about to do this intake. So yeah, let me clean the throttle area, and then I'm going to get everything together so that I could just shove everything together and in. So stay tuned for that. This shouldn't have been that long, and I could just cut this all out in time lapse, whatever I need to, but I will be back. All right, what I'm doing right now, I'm matching parts right now. So this clamp is the first thing that goes on. That looks good as that is right now. Like, it looks really fucking good being red. I should have did a before and after picture or whatever, but I could probably get a normal Vortec engine from a Chevy like picture online or something and compare it or whatever. But I also did record like before, but yeah, like I said, I'm just trying to get everything in, make sure I have a clamp for everything. This big ass, you dig? So, and then I'm gonna make sure all my screws are faced towards me, right? So after that, I would be putting the pipe in, and it goes under this, and then it goes in there. If I could do this one on hand, if I can't, I'm gonna just put this shit down later. I'll put it down, and then after that, it's this clamp. I just want to show you guys like what I'm gonna be doing. After that, it's this red clamp. Then this red clamp goes to this sensor. So boom, boom, and then this sensor goes to, I'm pretty sure, yeah, it goes to the intake. So the intake has this little thingy, and it goes around there, and then there's another clamp for this and the intake. So I'm about to get to it, and yeah, it's really not that difficult. So I'm gonna just show you guys after it's done, and then show you guys I literally just went through it twice with the instructions and just like this, and it's not that hard. So I'm gonna just go through it, and then I'm gonna show you guys like results and all that. So stay tuned. Alright, so far I have these in right now, and it's not even snug in, and you could tell where the intake's gonna go. Right now I have to make the heat shield, so it's just three screws that go up together, and I'll show you guys after that. I really hope you guys get how to do this. It's really not that hard, but you just basically have to put the 6 screws in, or 3 screws in, or whatever. I'm thinking about nuts and bolt wise, but yeah. So I'm about to do all that, and then I will be right back. So after I do that, and then I will get ready to start like putting the actual holes in there and whatever, because you have to put something in the bottom, you know, see that, and then the three things. So all this shit. Alright, y'all, I'm trying to show y'all the rest of this. I'm taking out this because this is like the spot I think that the little piece is supposed to go to the bottom of the thing. We're about to see right now. It's about the same length or whatever. So I think this is supposed to take that spot or whatever. If I can get it to fucking catch. Yes, sir. Right. So you guys get to see like most of the end of me installing this intake. So you want to put this little stupid thingy in there. I just seen you took out that little stupid bolt. So okay, so you take that and you could put your stupid washers in. So you put one washer down, and then you put this thing in there, and hopefully it fits. You feel me? Alright, we got it down. Kinda. This part just fucking with me a little bit, but look at that. So, yeah, there we go. So right now I'm about to just put the other washer, and then I'm gonna I'll put the other washer in, and then I'm gonna clamp it all down, and then show you guys the intake being put on, and then that should be the end of this video, because this is running a little bit too long. But make sure you guys subscribe while you guys are here, and I'll be back. Alright, y'all, this will probably be my little thumbnail. I'll probably get it for y'all. Man, this is all sturdy in there. Sensors in there, everything is in there. I don't have any parts left except these little extra screws, I think, but everything is in there. So let's get y'all a little start up. I might have to cut it, but let's get y'all a little start up. Definitely sounds better. I don't want to go too crazy. I'm